The number one metric that unlocks explosive growth in your business. If people don't click on your content, nothing else matters. That's obvious. That's right. Your content could be amazing, but if your CTR or your click-through rate is low, your business will struggle to grow. Today, I'm breaking down why your CTR is the most important metric and how to double or even triple it using proven strategies that we'll teach you. So why should we care about our CTR? Because platforms like YouTube and TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, they prioritize content that gets a high CTR or click-through rate, meaning if your content isn't getting clicked, it won't get shown to more people. So you fix your CTR and everything else in your business improves. What is a CTR and why is it like a gatekeeper to our business? Your CTR defines the percentage of people, as I mentioned, who see your content that actually click on it. It's the gateway to everything else in your business. If people don't click, they never watch, engage, or buy from you, which is so crucial. For an example, if we had 1,000 people that see your video on YouTube and only 50 people click, that's a 5% CTR. But if you tweak your thumbnail and your title just a little bit and you get 100 people who click, you're doubling your CTR. Now it's 10%. YouTube will now push your video to way more people. It's an industry benchmark. YouTube, for example, your CTR should be 4 to 10%. Anything above 10% is wonderful. Facebook, Instagram ads, 2 to 3% is considered good. Your email, 2.5% is above average. And for TikTok and Reels, a high CTR means a high viral potential. So your CTR really matters. The higher CTR, the higher the algorithm will be valued. So more clicks equals more views, more engagement, more leads. A low CTR, your content will be buried. You will never get ahead in your business. So 3 proven ways to increase your CTR immediately. Number 1 is improve your thumbnail. Most important factor, your picture, the first thing they see. 90% of us make the decision on whether we like your thumbnail. Platforms are visual first and users scroll fast, so your thumbnail needs to stop them in their tracks. Best practices for thumbnail: high contrast, bright colors. YouTube's data shows bright contrasting colors get you more clicks. Thumbnails with expressive faces boost your CTR up to 25%. Minimal text. Keep your text to 3 to 5 words at a maximum. Curiosity gap. Show before and after unexpected elements. For example, this changed my business. Leaving a curiosity for your potential customer. Number 2, create emotionally driven titles. It's a fact that titles make or break your CTR. So a great title triggers curiosity, urgency, and a desire. Proven CTRs that help boost your title formulas would be to include a number plus event. For example, 7 hacks to double your sales in 30 days. Curiosity hook. An example, most people get this wrong about online business. You triggered their curiosity. A shock factor. Why your website is costing you thousands of dollars. Success formula. How I made $10,000 in a month with 0 ads. A/B testing is another tip. Run 2 different versions of your title to see which one performs better. You can also do this with your thumbnail as well. Number 3, optimize your first line or text of your description. The first few seconds of your video or the first line of your post influence your CTR. So if the first words in your caption don't hook, people won't click. So how would you write an attention-grabbing first line? You can start with a question, for example. Are you struggling to get views on YouTube? Or make a bold statement. Your business is losing money because of this mistake. Use urgency. These CTR tricks will be outdated soon, so act now. You can also pin a top comment reinforcing why people should watch. Here's some more proven hacks to get more clicks. Use the word you. Personalize your title will get you 30% more engagement. Avoid clickbait. So if your title overpromises but your content doesn't deliver, people will bounce off your site fast and really hurt your AVD. Consistency always wins. It builds trust and loyalty and increases your CTR naturally. Some final thoughts about your CTA. The CTA is a gatekeeper, as we mentioned. If they don't click, nothing else matters. Thumbnails and titles are the biggest factors, so optimize them for curiosity and for emotion. The first few seconds matter, so nail your opening to increase your engagement. So what's next? Now that we know a little bit more about the CTR, how to increase our clicks, the next challenge is to keep your viewer engaged. So if people don't watch long enough, the algorithm won't push out your content. And that's where our AVD or our average view duration comes in. So watch my next video in this series to help you learn how to keep people watching longer, and to grow your business even faster.